why we're here today.
I thought we were here for breakfast.
We are here to correct your heinous ways.
This, Dom,
is an intervention.
Good morning, everybody. So, the boys are coming over today. They've been busting my chops a little bit about cleaning the garage. I don't think it's that bad. I guess we'll see.
dirty, a little dirty.
Oh, it's like
What's up, guy? How you doing?
What's up? Good morning.
Good morning. I've been waiting
Can't wait.
for this day for so long.
I don't know what you guys are talking about. It's really not that bad.
Dude, I've been here. I know what it looks like.
See? It's not that bad.
Holy shit, it got worse. What do you tell yourself when you go to bed?
Honestly, I completely forgot you even have this car.
I do too sometimes.
Tom's the only person to have a fucking barn find in his own house. I gotta stop cursing.
For anybody that wants a frame of reference, Dom has had this car so long that we have had 3 different presidents during his ownership.
Yeah. Has to do the math. Let me move the car out. We can get started.
Hold on a second. This is curing my OCD. So, we're gonna move the car out, and then we're gonna get cracking. Does the radio work in this car? Dom's special.
So we're all supposed to be cleaning the garage, and this guy decides that now is the time to wall mount things.
Specialty trade laborers, okay? Carpenter, room sweeper, right? There's a keyboard in the hamper.
Where do you keep your keyboards?
It's not in my hamper.
Okay, so I know we've been giving you a hard time, but all jokes aside, why do you feel like it's been so tough to get around to getting the garage done?
I mean, you start working a demanding job.
What?
Let's have this conversation correctly.
I feel like it's a little early for this. What time is it?
It's Sunday. Time has no meaning.
I'm good. Please proceed with your conversation.
Casper, what were you saying?
No, so I mean, obviously we're giving you a hard time, but why do you feel like it took you so long to get around to getting the garage done?
Honestly, life just got in the way at this point. You start working demanding jobs, and I'm sure everybody can relate to that. You come home, you don't have energy. There's always some sort of excuse, which I'm trying not to make anymore. But yeah, that's where we're at. What else do I have in here?
Oh, it's crazy to think, you know, because you were piecing parts for this car. You know, we were in our early 20s, and you were very patient, buying all really, really nice stuff. Dude, give yourself credit where credit is due, because none of this all took a lot of work to get in time.
If you wanted to repeat these purchases and make this car today and acquire this, you'd have an even harder time, realistically speaking, as far as sourcing and probably prices too.
Well, by the end of the day, we're gonna piece the whole motor together.
You really don't realize how much space you have until it's cleaned.
14 years of parts collecting led to gearboxes, diffs, subframes, spares of everything, 3 5-cylinder engines.
And we thought we were taking a break from Volvo things.
Dude, why didn't we just come shopping here?
I know, right?
When's the last time this car was wiped down?
3 years ago?
So right now.
So if there was any way to measure progress for cleaning a garage, this would be the way to do it.
So I bought this car probably late 2009.
Bro, what are you doing? We're interviewing him.
The light was leaning on me.
December of 2009 I bought it. I was 19 years old, just in college, and I just always had an unhealthy obsession with old Audis. I guess that stems from when my father was racing cars. He used to race rally cars back in the day. Old Audis, old Volkswagens, eventually moved up to Subarus, but the old Audis always stuck with me. The old 5-cylinders from the Group B days. It was just such an iconic time in motorsports, and a motorsport that I'm particularly passionate about thanks to my father. I found this on one of the old Audi forums. This is back before Facebook, before social media really took over, and people still communicated via forums. Bought it, non-running, didn't care. It was always gonna be a project car. Didn't think it was gonna take this long, but here we are. Originally, this car was supposed to be a very simple street build, RS2 spec street car. And then things started spiraling. I started buying more and more parts, building a motor for it, decided to strip the interior. And now the car is going to be destined to be a hill climb car. And my ultimate goal one day, and I really hope I'm not shooting myself in the foot by saying this, but to take this car to the top of Pikes Peak. Definitely not gonna be something you wanna drive on the street, even though I probably will, but full race car. Honestly, I would say a big motivation for starting this back up has been, the channel that we're building here. Danny's E30 has been a huge inspiration to me, as much as I hate to admit it on camera. Plus, with Catspur now having a red Volvo, it'd kind of be cool to be mobbing around in 2 color-matched 5-cylinder cars. Careers are kind of in place, homes are purchased. I can actually dedicate some time and money to this thing. First of all, thank you guys for the help. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're excited to see what this thing turns into.